Hi guys, so for this project we will be using a 5mm crochet hook. The first thing we need to do is make a loop stitch. Chain 2, slip stitch into the first chain, chain 1, find the center, and then half double crochet 8 on the first row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To finish the row, slip stitch into the first one, chain 1. In row 2 we will half double crochet by 2 in every chain. Then go in here, half double crochet 1, yarn over, pull it through, and then to finish the second row, slip stitch into the first one. Chain 1. On the third row, we will half double crochet by 2 in every other chain. So half double crochet 1 in here, half double crochet 2 into the next one, half double crochet 1 into the next one, half double crochet 2 in the next one, then go in here, half double crochet 1, and then to finish the third row, slip stitch into the first one. Chain 1, and on the fourth row, we will half double crochet by 1 in every chain. To finish the row, slip stitch into the first one. From now on, repeat row 4 until you have a total of 11 rows from the beginning. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, so this is how your project should look like so far. Then you need to put it on your foot. If you want it to cover more of your foot, then you need to repeat row 4 for a few more rows. Chain 1, half double crochet, in every chain until you have 3 left. Chain 1, turn your work around, half double crochet in every chain, chain 1, turn your work around, and continue to repeat the last row until your slipper covers your entire foot. And then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so when your slipper is long enough to cover your foot, and in my case, that's a total of 22 rows from the beginning, so 11 to here, and another 11 from here to here. Now I will turn my slipper inside out, and then I will join these two ends together using a sewing needle or a crochet hook. So I will go into this chain and this chain, pull the working stitch through it, chain 1, put your hook through here and here, yarn over, pull it through, slip stitch, put Put your hook through here and here, yarn over, pull it through, slip stitch. Repeat that for the entire row. Expand the last stitch, put your work through it, pull the yarn, cut it, and loose the ends. And turn your slipper to the right side. This is how the finished slipper will look like. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.